All right, so today I'm officially popping Mario's dirt cherry. He just got a brand new Specialized crux, so I'm gonna show him what the dirt life is like. Not like I know what I'm doing, but I've tried it at least once and crashed it multiple times, so let's do it.
No rear curse today.
Get it. Fell once. How long have we been riding? 10 minutes? Welcome to Cross.
Fun.
All right, let's go up. So this little climb is, I think, 18+%, and it's all right at the end. I'll eventually figure it out one day.
Looks like I'm drinking dirt.
Alright, so today I'm just going to show Mario a little bit of the basics on sliding the bike a little bit and getting used to losing traction, because he doesn't come from the fixed gear boys back in the day, as well as trying to show him some mounting and dismounting. I used to be semi-okay with this, but it's been a solid year, so we're both going to try to remember.
Let's not die.
New bike, you got a lifetime warranty on that thing, right? Yeah, you're good. Just turn it back like, I don't know what happened. I was just riding along and it broke in half. And you got real close to just falling on me. There you go. Alright, well, a little shift in cameras, because when I crashed out, I didn't pull out my camera that I usually shoot this with. And I kind of gacked it a little bit. Now I got to try to dust it out and fix it. Hopefully I didn't totally mess it up trying to teach Mario cross, but that might have been what happened.
That's why you always pull out.
So me and Mario are going to call it here. Basically, we worked on dismount, remount, showing him how to slide a little bit in the dirt, as well as, so me and him are going to officially start a 8-week cyclocross course like a week before the season starts. So obviously we're doing things right. If you guys want to see what I'm going to coin the Cyclocross for Dummies series, let us.
Who's the dummy?
Don't comment below who the dummy is. All right, well, thanks for watching. Sorry this video got cut short. Pray that my camera's still okay because I don't have enough money to get another one. make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching another episode of Locked In. Mario didn't die today,
I did not.
but he got close.